Driver selecting Total Parks Pro today with 2016 Mazda 3 stock number 7088. It's ran from 11 2013 to the 2nd 2019. It's a PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. The front headlight. Left rear 18-inch factory maggot tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear boot lid no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory maggot tyre. Right front door 2 dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front 18-inch factory maggot tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo. Interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,